When writing a facial tracking program, use the parameter X to set the conditions for VinciBot to turn left or right. When the face is tilted to the right, VinciBot turns left. When the face is tilted to the left, VinciBot turns right. Use the width or height parameter to set the conditions for VinciBot to stop tracking. When width greater than 200, the orange camera is very close to the face, and tracking stops. When width equals 0, it indicates no face is detected, and tracking also stops. When the coordinates of the human face do not meet the aforementioned conditions, VinciBot will continue moving forward. Use nested if-else statement to write the program. It's important to place the width check at the beginning. When the condition to stop tracking is met, VinciBot will not trigger subsequent instructions. If the width check is placed at the end, the stop tracking command won't be triggered. The demo facial tracking programs are as follows. There is also a way to achieve the same effect by using motor blocks instead of motion blocks. Refer to the following motion status for setting the speed of VinciBot left and right wheels. The demo facial tracking programs are as follows.